Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be making a lily pad for the mountain bike trail. What we have right here is a little gap jump, but it is really bad and soft and it's super hard to hit. So today we're going to be digging holes, making one of those lily pad things that they made on that Burn Peak video. So stay tuned. Okay, so the plan for the lily pad is going to be that it's going to be 7 feet long, and it's going to start off as 1.5 feet or 2 feet probably, and then it's going to come up to a 3-foot drop, and then there's going to be a landing right here. So probably our first step is going to be getting a shovel and undoing this landing, and I'm thinking that we can use that as jump up onto the lily pad. And I'm thinking that it's probably going to be like 4 feet wide, because you want it wide enough to be able to ride easily. So I'm not gonna pack the jump until I actually have the lily pad set in, because I'm gonna base it off of like where the lily pad's gonna be in the air and everything. So you got to do this step by step. So keep watching. There's a foot. Okay, so next process is I'm gonna get some boards, put in the hole, and then actually no, never mind. I'm gonna dig the other post holes. Starting with this one. Actually, you don't really want to sit with me here and watch me dig two more, so stay tuned. And I'll come back to you when I'm done digging. Okay, all the post holes are dug, so it's time to go get me some boards. And I need 2 7-footers, and yeah, just some long boards. So I'm gonna go hike over and meet you when I have them. Stay tuned. There's my boards. So I think I'm gonna grab marker and the sawzall, and I'm gonna cut some boards that I need. Now it's time to deck this sucker. I'm back, and so I set the jump up and everything up onto it. Everything is pretty much all set except for one thing. We don't have a landing, so I got the tractor out here, and sorry for not recording me putting the dirt on here with the tractor, but my camera died, so I couldn't really do it anyway. So right now I got a huge pile of dirt right here, so I'm just gonna take it and pack it right down.